guys, welcome back. I'm here with a new box. This month I decided to try something different and I went ahead and purchased a glossy box. I'm excited to see what's in it because I have no clue. I don't know what this box is about. I like it though. It's cute. And then you open it. Look at the top of the box. This is a cute, like how they present it is really cute. I undid the ribbons already, but it comes like in a little bow. And then you have these things that, it has a sticker. You undo this sticker. And it usually, well, let me put it down for a minute. I don't know. Mine came with, oh, okay, because you get a thing in here. All right, it tells you how to use some of the products, the cards. So I got this Zolt hemp drink mix. Balance your equilibrium every day. Coconut, caffeine free. And this is what it is. It's a little packet. I'm going to guess. Yeah, you mix it with water. For a refreshing and hydrating drink. And it shows you that they have several different ones. So let's read. Balance coconut mixy sticks. Raise your baseline performance mentally, emotionally, and physically. Light coconut flavor makes them perfect to add to a smoothie or delicious simply mixed with water. 20 milligrams of CBD, third-party lab tested, caffeine-free, made from Kentucky-grown hemp. Can they grow hemp in Kentucky? I guess you can grow it anywhere. But that's that one. I didn't get a book. They say you get a book. I didn't get a book. So we're just going to have to go with what we got. All right, what's next? What is this? Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. And this is a little sample. Can I read these little texts on what it says? Apply a rich layer on dry, cleaned face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off thoroughly. What does it do, though? Cool, hydrate, and nourish skin. Oh, it's a whipped mask. Okay, I'll try it. I'll give it a go. It's from Coors. Oh, that makes a difference because I like, for me it does. I have Coors lotions and I love them. Like they are so freaking hydrating. So now I'm excited to try this. All right, next up, Seed Lightweight Facial Lotion. Our lightweight facial lotion is designed for a light touch of daily moisture. Dispense one pump onto hands and massage gently onto face and neck until well absorbed. Let's check it out. No clue. Ow, ow. Oh, this is a cute little bottle. Look. Yeah, it is. So I guess you just open this sucker up. It's got a lid. And what do? We pump it out? Oh, new bottles. Oh. Okay. So it's not a huge pump. I mean, that's just the first pump, but after that, that's the pump. Let's see. At first, like the first scent you get is, it's just gonna drive me crazy. Little eucalyptusy and a little bit of Play-Doh. Mainly getting eucalyptus, but I mean, okay, it's fading, so it doesn't stay on you. Our mission is to support independent organic farmers. Water, coconut, sunflower seed oil, camino oil, coconut, seaweed. That's maybe what I'm smelling. Okay. Seems to have a lot of coconut oil, water, and sunflower seed oil. Okay. What is this? A Pivota propolis? What the heck is this? Never heard of it. Natural formula. Intensive moisturizing lip care for dry, chapped lips. Oh! That's a lip balm. Okay. Well, I got stuff on. Let's see right here. How does this feel on the lips? Is it greasy? Is it, what is it? Goes on smooth. No scent. Wait a minute, a little bit coconutty though. Is it the coconut? Is it that? It feels nice. I'll try it later. But it feels nice. Okay, I'll give it, I don't know if it's how hydrating it'll be, but I'll give it a go. What the heck? Okay, as you get into your box, as you can see, it comes with this crap, which annoys the hell out of me. But I guess it keeps it from... After Spa, reusable rounds. Easy makeup removal while preserving the planet. And you get 2. Instructions. Simply wet the makeup remover pad with your makeup removing solution. Okay, begin removing makeup in a downward swiping motions. Repeat as necessary until your makeup is completely removed. The reusable rounds are machine washable when it's time to clean and reuse. Oh, I like it. Let's open them up and check them out. Rounds. Oh, they're cloth. Oh my God. Did you get 2? Oh. It's like a fluffy washcloth for your face. Okay, and one side, yeah, no, they're the same. Are they the same? Okay. One's got a little bit shorter hair this side, and this one's a little bit longer, but they're soft. It's really freaking soft. Oh my God. Yes. I might like this. I'll give it a go. I mean, and you can wash them, so they're a little thin, but I don't imagine these would last long. There's some water. If you don't really take care of it, they shed. So maybe wash them first and then use it. Maybe do a hand wash. I don't see it lasting very long, though. They're really thin, but okay, I'll give it a go. We'll see what's up. Oh, and then with that, oh my God, for days, Bioderma micellar water. Ooh, what's this one? Because they have different ones. You know what I mean? I like it's hypoallergenic because I do. When it comes to moisturizers, cleansers, around my eyes is really sensitive. Purifying, cleansing, combination oily. I don't have combination oily. So maybe pass this along to somebody who does. But really, who cares with this though, honestly? Because this, you're going to use it to remove, like, obviously I have this I got from my Boxy. I'm going to give it a go first. But then I'll use this eventually, and maybe, you're just using it to remove makeup. And this kind you want to rinse off your face afterwards. You don't want to keep it on. So I imagine you remove your makeup with this. You rinse, you do your cleansing. I do a double cleanse. So it's not staying on your skin. Its job is really just to remove makeup, and that's it. So, yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Okay, we'll give that a go too, eventually, when it's time. But that's it for glossybox. That's all I got. It was a cute little box. I don't know if I would get it again. I've seen videos on here where people have got some really cool stuff in it, but I'm not one of those people. But I'll try everything. I'm excited with these. Like, I feel like this thing I got from Boxy and these, yeah, buddy. I might have to do a video with skincare and all that. Removing my makeup, doing my skincare. I'll do a video on that. But that was fun. I really like the box. I wish it didn't say. Yeah, the box is so cute. How it comes wrapped up with a bow with the paper. Like, that's such a cute presentation. The lotion. I don't know. Let's see how this tastes. Reusable round. Everything was so cute though. The lip balm, the matte. Oh, this course. I'm so excited for this. Like, when I'm done with this video, I'm going to take my makeup off immediately, cleanse, and do this mask. I'm super excited about this mask. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed everything, and I'll see you again. And then don't forget to hit the like, because it helps me out. You know, the algorithm on YouTube. Subscribe if you like the content, and maybe we'll do some more. And leave a comment. Tell me what your thoughts. Do you get glossybox? What'd you get in yours? How long have you been getting it? Do you enjoy it? Like, tell me these things. I need to know these things. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next round. Bye.